Hello friends, in this video I will teach you that how to create a page border in Microsoft Word. I am using MS Word 2016, so we can find the option in the menu under Design tab. If you are using an older version, so you can use layout or page layout. You can find in one of them, but if you are using 2019 or 2016, then in the menu under Design tab you can find this option to add the page borders. So you can click on page border here. See, add or change the border around the page. So click here now, borders and shading. So you can find there are different options like border, page border and shading. So we are going to add page border. So the settings done right now. So we can select box and style. You can see this line, and color is automatic. Width you can select. See, click OK and border will appear. If you want to modify, you can click on page border again. For example, if we want to increase the width, so 3 pt, apply to whole document. You can also apply to this section or first page only, or all except first page. So now the whole document you can see. And page borders color, if you change, okay, so you can see color also change. You can also select some arts like this, and the width 31. So you can also select, you can also increase or decrease width. So this is the method you can add page borders in a Word document easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.